People want to come to the United States from all over the world. The talented, the ambitious, the restless, they aspire to come to the United States because they know they have a better shot there than anywhere else. They don't want to go to China. Nobody wants to become a Chinese citizen. You can count the number of people who actually sign up to be PRC citizens on an abacus comfortably each year. So this is the key. Ultimately, the United States will remain the talent magnet, and that will mean that there will be a human capital advantage as well as an institutional advantage in the free society over the unfree society. Just look at Silicon Valley. Look how many of the biggest companies were created by immigrants or the children of immigrants. It's absolutely stunning. There's no way China can replicate that because they're reliant on their homegrown talent. The US can import talent all day long from all over the world.